Hi guys, Max Perez here from Digital Octopus, and today I have a brand new product for you guys. This is the DO-1620 and it's designed for Chevrolet Camaros 2016 to 2020. So I'm gonna go ahead, open up this box. I'm gonna go over everything that's inside for you guys. So I can't wait to get this open, so let me get right on it. So I'm just gonna open the cover. And this is what you're gonna get when you order your unit. So we have the top cover. I'm gonna go over this individually, but we have the main harness here that you'll connect. Real simple setup. Then you have all your accessory wires, which I'm gonna go over. And finally, we have here inside this bag is the actual head unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by taking out the head unit so you guys can see it. And there it is. You have back, forward, pick your phone call, back button. Then you have your knobs. You know, always good to have knobs. And then you have the bag. This is the back of the system. And again, I'm gonna go over everything. This comes apart because this is a plate. And then with your existing clips, you're gonna clip this one onto your system. So I'm gonna put this down on the side, and I'm gonna start by going over all the wires. All right, so first we're gonna open up our bag, and the first thing we're gonna pull out is the GPS. So for you guys that don't know Android systems, like, you literally need to put a GPS antenna on all of them because they're not compatible with your existing GPS built into the car. It's not made for that. So this is gonna be your GPS antenna, and I'm gonna upload another video on how to install it. We have here our 4G antenna, and the 4G antenna, this is a 4G antenna slash Wi-Fi antenna, and this is for your Wi-Fi, or if you want to connect the 4G system on your radio. Next we have our antenna wire, which will connect to existing wiring in the car. We're gonna supply a microphone. Most Camaros already have a microphone, but just in case yours doesn't, for some reason didn't come with one, or it got damaged, whatever, we supply an extra microphone that you could use. But the system integrates already with everything on your car, your backup camera, everything else. So this is the wire where you connect your backup camera here. And then you're gonna be supplied with two USBs. One USB that it connects, you can connect any USB here in your glove compartment or whatever you want to do. And then you have this different looking one here, and what this one does is connects to the existing USB in your car, so you don't have to run any wires to where the USB location is at. And finally, for the harnesses in the back, we have the main harness, and here you have your amp control, you have your subwoofer out, you have video out, video ins, and audios. And then this is where that microphone, aftermarket microphone, connects. That's in case you need to connect it, or if it's completely optional. And then finally, for the main harness, all the wires are done here. Here we go. So we have the wires that connect to your system, and then obviously this side connects to your radio, and that's about it. So we have I'm gonna make another video more detailed when I'm in the car, so you guys can see how everything connects. For now, this is it. Thank you so much for your time. Just be on the lookout for new posts. We're gonna be selling this radio really soon, probably in the next 2 weeks. We're gonna start full production. I'm gonna create another video right after this. I might even merge it with this one, just so you can see what the system looks like. So we're back here, and I'm gonna start installing these wires here, and just to see, so you can see how they go, how they connect. So we're gonna start with the USB. So I'm just gonna get rid of this back plate for now, just so it can make it easier for you to see. So we have everything fits in one place, so you really can't put it in another, so there's no way you're gonna mess this up. So we're gonna start with this one. We're gonna push it in, and you should hear it click in. Next, we are going to connect our other USB, and we're gonna plug that right in here, right? Then we are gonna connect our antenna wire. We're gonna plug that right in there. This is for a camera, and we're gonna plug that right in here. Actually, it goes right here. Again, you can't mess this up, it only fits in one place. So you see how it didn't let me connect that there. And then finally, we have our main harness here. We're gonna plug these in here, and you should hear that click right inside. And then you have your antenna wire, which is your 4G wire, I'm sorry. And we're gonna connect it to where it says 4G. I'm gonna screw that in. Your microphone, again, this is completely optional if you want to put this in. Usually, we have another microphone built in the front, so it's really not necessary, but just in case. And then finally, our GPS antenna. Again, if you have satellite radio on your car, Android systems are not really compatible with it, so the best solution is just get the Sirius XM app on your radio and or on your phone, and it'll open up on CarPlay, and you could go ahead and control it from CarPlay. And there it is. So we're gonna plug all that in. Then we are gonna connect our main harness. But for now, we're gonna use this improvised one here that I have. I'm gonna plug that in, and that one piece goes right in here. And we're gonna turn it around. You should see it powering on. And there it is. So now the power's on. This is gonna be another video for this, so where I will go over all the menu options, everything that you could do in the system. So look forward to seeing you guys on that video. Just any comments, drop it down below. Any questions, hit us up, ask for it, ask questions, and we'll be glad to answer it. So you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys later.